Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on Xbox Series X. It's important to know that BeamNG Drive is a PC-exclusive title, meaning it isn't directly available on your Xbox console. Its complex soft-body physics engine demands substantial processing power, making a native console port quite challenging. However, there are clever ways to bring this unique driving simulator experience to your Xbox Series X through streaming, which we will explore together. One excellent method is using cloud gaming services designed for PC titles, such as NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service allows you to stream games you already own from platforms like Steam or Epic Games to many devices, including your Xbox via its web browser. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 15 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth and responsive gameplay experience without noticeable lag. To get started, simply open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox Series X. From there, navigate to your chosen cloud gaming service, like GeForce Now, and log into your account. You can then launch BeamNG Drive directly through the browser, streaming it to your console. For the best control and to fully utilize the game's features, connecting a keyboard and mouse to your Xbox is strongly recommended, as the game has many intricate commands. While streaming offers a fantastic workaround, remember that performance heavily relies on your internet speed and the specific cloud service tier you choose. You might experience some slight input latency, which can affect the precision needed for BeamNG Drive's detailed physics. If streaming isn't quite meeting your expectations, consider exploring other excellent driving and simulation games natively available on the Xbox platform that offer similar thrills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.